Hello, welcome to the Old Phone channel. iOS 16.3 has been officially released. This video will introduce several highlights of iOS 16.3 and how to downgrade from iOS 16.3 to iOS 16.2. So let's see the first part. What's the highlights of iOS 16.3? 16.3 and the first thing is support for physical security keys, which is going to add another layer of security for your Apple ID account. You need to buy 2 Ubico security keys to use this feature, and each Ubico security key costs $50. Will you buy it? There are some changes with Emergency SOS. So you will first notice that we have a new option on here, a new toggle for call quietly that was not there previously. And it says if you start an emergency call using the gestures above, warning alarms and flashes will be silenced. Finally, we have an update on the wallpaper. Scroll down, we have a new section for Unity. This update introduces a new Unity wallpaper to honor Black history and culture in celebration of Black History Month. Other repair enhancements will not be introduced. If you want to know how to downgrade back to iOS 16.2 after experiencing iOS 16.3, please follow me. I'll show you an easy way to do it. Here we need use a tool called Old Phone iOS System Repair. Just connect your iPhone to your computer. Remember to back up your data in advance. The downgrade process will wipe all data. After backup your iPhone, open Old Phone iOS System Repair on your PC. Click Downgrade iOS button, then select Deep Downgrade. Confirm the information and click Start. Then you just need to wait for it. Well done. Now let's check it out. As you can see, we go back to iOS 16.2 now. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.